Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will see some numericals on hydropower. But before that, let's know the concept of hydropower generation. As here you can see that the water is stored in the dam and this stored water has potential energy which is converted to kinetic energy by flowing water from a higher to lower level to move the turbine, which in turn generates mechanical energy. And later on, this mechanical energy is converted to electrical energy with the help of generators. So here we got that there are two types of energy which are involved in the hydroelectric power generation. The potential energy of water is used to generate the electricity. So the total power which could be generated from water in hydroelectric power plant due to its height is given by P is equal to rho Q G H. Here rho is the density of water, G is the gravity, Q is the flow rate of water and H is the height of water measured. Now let's see that how energy is derived from this power. We got that power is equal to rho Q G H. Here Q is nothing but it is the flow rate of water which is equal to volume per second. And in terms of energy, power can be written as energy per time, that is second. So after equating these, we will get that energy is equal to rho V G H. For conversion from kinetic energy, we will use the formula power is equal to 0.5 rho Q V square. And in case if efficiency is given in the question, then we have to multiply the efficiency also. So now let's see the questions. The question is a 2000 megawatt dam has maximum head of 200 meter. What is the rate of flowing water on the turbines? Here the power is given and we have to find the flow rate of water. So let's see how we will solve it. As we know that in the question power is given and the height is 200 meter. Here power is given in megawatt. First we will convert it into watt, that will be equal to 2000 into 10 raised to 6 watt. Now for finding flow rate, our formula will be Q is equal to power upon rho G H. Now we will put the values. Rho will be equal to 1000, that is the density of water. Gravity is equal to 9.8 and height is equal to 200. Now we will solve it. So after solving, we will get our answer, that is equal to 10,000 20.41 meter cube per second. This will be our flow rate. So here we got that our correct option is option number 3. Next question is a hydropower plant has a reservoir capacity of 2 into 10 raised to power 3 meter cube and its maximum head is 500 meter. So what will be its potential energy? Now let's see how we will solve this. Here in the question, storage capacity, that is volume, is given and the head is given and we have to find the potential energy. So our formula for potential energy is equal to rho G H V. Now by putting the values we will solve this. So here we will get that will be equal to approximate 10 gigajoule. So here all the options are incorrect and this question was dropped by NTA because it is given in pentajoule whose value is equal to 10 raised to power 15. Time for the last question. This question came in the year 2020 and the question is a small hydropower station based on the conversion of the kinetic energy of a river water generates power. If the flow of water is 10 meter cube per second and the speed of water is 3 meter per second, then what is the maximum power the station can generate? And in this we have to take efficiency also, that is given 0.6. As in our question, volume is given and flow rate is given. So, and we have to find the power in terms of kinetic energy. So, our formula for this is here efficiency is also given. So, we have to consider this also. Now, we will solve it by putting the values. So here we got our correct answer, which is the option number 2nd. We can also solve this question by different method which I have provided here. So that's all for today. Hope you liked it. Thanks for watching.